This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the Oppo Find X. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. Find X has the Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. That was a close one, but I'm gonna give the win to the Find X. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. All caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close, again, maybe the Mate 20 Pro. Camera. Very close, not sure what this is. And remember, Find X has the motorized camera, so you can see. Clock on both phones, very close. Start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Search for GSM Arena. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Woo! Very similar performance on both phones. Go ahead and scroll to the bottom and go to the desktop version. Go! Looking at the bar again. Ooh, very close. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the Find X. And do the same thing to the Mate 20 Pro. Nice and butter as well. Leave it on this page. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Ooh, maybe the Mate 20 Pro on that one. Click on Find one here. Click on Uber. Leave it there. Amazon. Maybe the Mate 20 Pro on this one. Click on this deal of the day. eBay. Give that to the Mate 20. Click on this one. Super Mario Run. Loading on both, and give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Tap to begin. Mate 20 Pro a little bit faster running the game. Temple Run 2. Very close. We do have two different maps here, so take this one with a grain of salt if you want. Give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Tap to begin. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, I'm gonna call that one a draw. Tap the play button. PUBG. Ooh, we have the Mate 20 Pro ahead. Looks like the Mate might take this one. Both are loading. Will the Find X catch up? Oh, nope, Mate 20 Pro. Give this to the Huawei, so you can see. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Mate 20 Pro way ahead. And Find X lagging a little bit here. And give this easy win to the Mate 20 Pro, as you can see. Twitter, Mate 20, Instagram, Mate 20 again, Snapchat, Mate 20 Pro. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now, starting with Instagram. Good to go. Twitter, good to go as well. Grand Theft Auto, ready to play on both phones. PUBG, ready to go. So you can see. Okay, how do you, oh, there it is. Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. Temple Run 2. paused and ready to resume on both phones. Mario Run. Mario Run, that's right. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place on both. Find X, a little bit of a stutter there. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Chrome, both still on GSM Arena. As you can see, clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. Camera, good to go. Remember the motorized camera on the Find X. Messages, there you go. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the Oppo Find X? And I have to say, the design of this phone is pretty crazy. The display going all the way to the edge with its pretty unique motorized camera up top and a pretty awesome screen, I gotta say. Looking at this display right now, the colors pop, very vibrant, nice and saturated. I love the display on this phone. Or do you have yourself the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This phone coming in with a Kirin 980, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM options, curved display, does have a notch, but you can hide that in settings. A crazy 40 megapixel camera on the back, triple camera setup as well. And this one is the blue and purple colorway. As you can see, looks pretty badass. On the back, with a contrasting power button, very nice. And the same thing can be said with the Oppo Find X. As you can see, this phone looks pretty nice as well. So let me know in the comments which of these two phones you think looks better. I don't know, man. It's a hard choice. Both look good to me. But let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.